on. I made it go on.
It's on.
Right. Hi, everybody.
Can I interrupt you for 1 second?
Mm-hmm.
Am I even on?
Yes.
Am I in the camera? Hello? While he does his intro, I'm going to fold this piece of paper to make it into like a little book that you can make at home. Anybody can do this. So, okay, Lochlan's gonna do an intro and tell you to like, subscribe, and share, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna make this cool like folded thing. All right, I need my glasses. I don't even know where they are. I don't think, man. I'll do it without glasses. If you can see my glasses, come bring them over to me.
Hey, everybody. If you're new
Can't do this
to
without
the
my
Little
glasses.
Pulp family, like and subscribe.
Hold on, I'm coming back.
Turn on the
Don't.
notifications if it's on YouTube, and if it's on Facebook or Twitter, just like.
We don't do Twitter, Lochlan.
Well, we don't do.
I actually do
Just
Twitter.
be
I do Twitter.
generic. Just
I do
be
Twitter.
generic.
Man, these are dirty. I use Twitter to catch up on the news and to find out what people are saying in the global news.
I don't know. I'm bad at introing.
All right, Lochlan's gonna intro. And
I
I'm
already
gonna,
did intro.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Listen up. I have an idea. Something you can do with a regular piece of paper and scissors. You can make a little book. Watch this. It's so cool. You want to try it, Lochlan?
Yeah, wait. I have to take this.
Oh, you also.
Sorry. Oh.
You need. It's okay. You need a bone folder. You don't really need a bone folder. You could use a ruler, a pencil. You can use any tool. I have this cool bone folder. It's if you know about book binding and stuff like that. It's actually bone. Feel it. It's bone.
Oh,
I don't think it's really bone. It's called a bone folder. All right. So you take your paper and you fold it in half.
wait. Can you wait for me?
And then you take your bone folder. It's called a bone folder because it makes it so nice to fold. But you could do it with a pencil. You want to use a bone folder? You can just go like this.
Wait.
So you have a nice even crease. Good. Open it up. Fold it this way. We're not making a paper airplane today, Lochlan. That'll be another day. Take your bone folder or your pencil and go like this. Catch up, Lochlan. Come on.
Stop.
It's okay.
I haven't done this. You did this in the morning and focus.
I'm going to show you the lines so you can see where the folds are. You don't have to do this drawing of the lines, but I want to make sure that you can see in the video. So I folded it like this and like this.
Don't go too quick. They might be stuck.
Now I don't exactly know how to do this. I'm going to try to figure it out as we go.
Wait.
Then you take a fold like this.
What
You
do
don't
I
have to
do
draw the lines.
here?
Now open it up and fold it like this. It is a very calming thing. If you do like embroidery or knitting, crocheting, it's a little bit like that. You kind of calm yourself down. It's very soothing. If we had music, I'd put it on. But if we put on music, you might never see this video because Facebook can hear sounds. And if we don't have the rights to use the song, they don't let you put the video up. You good, Lochlan? Oh, let me show you the folds I'm making of this so you can follow along the fold lines. See?
Oh no, I messed up.
Doesn't matter. As long as I don't mess up. Now, I gotta remember what to do. I have to cut this, which is not easy to do. How do I cut that? I have an idea. I'm going to, this is the fold line right here. You see that? That's the fold on the other side. And that's the fold on the other side. I need to cut this part of the paper. How do I do that? I will show you. I fold it like this.
Wait.
I take my scissors, fold it like this. I'll follow. Don't worry, I'll help you. I'll help you do this part because it's a little tricky. That's where you're gonna cut. And you're gonna take a scissor.
I know these. That's how I do a semicircle.
And you're gonna cut like that. Cut along that line, Lochlan. So now you have like that, right? Is you seeing this on the camera, everybody? You see this? That's what you want. Now I don't know what to do.
I remember.
That's what you do.
Yeah,
Okay, so to show you how to do this, tell me if this is understandable. Fold it in like that, pick it up like this, and squeeze it like that. So you have this kind of thing. You see that?
Wait, how?
Fold it like this, and do it like that. But you gotta make sure these folds are folding in the different directions. See that fold? This is that fold right there. Does it make sense? You see what I'm doing? These folds, so you go like this, so you make it like a diamond.
Yeah.
And you have to fold, make sure this folds in like that. And
Like
use
this?
your, yes, sort of. I don't know.
And then, wait, and then this one goes like that?
Make the diamond like this.
Yeah.
And make sure that these folds are like folding nicely like this. So you kind of go back and forth.
Okay, back.
And then you take it like this. Oh, don't forget, when you do that fold, use your bone folder. It just makes things so much nicer. Like that.
Bone folder now.
Oh, wait, let me finish. And then you go like that. Good. Now you take it. All right. So you have to make sure that diamond exists like that. See that cool diamond like that? It's so much fun. Make sure the diamond exists like that. Yes, yes, yes. Now, push the diamond together. And then fold the whole thing like this. Get your bone folder and fold it down like this. See what I did? And then you have yourself a little booklet. Look at that. A nice little where should I go? Can you see it?
Your face.
Oh, I don't want to show my face, but look. And then you have a little booklet. So you have like, this is the cover, which I'll make something nice. This is the inside page. This is like the title page. Todor, the Robot
That's not
by Lochlan Kiernan. And now you have your story, your story, your story, your back cover inside piece, and then your back cover. You put a little C, 2020, little pulp.com, whatever you want to do. You have like a the end. And you make a little book. It's fun to do. I love this. I'm going to make a little book. I'm going to make a bunch of these today, and then I'm going to fill. That's it, Lochlan. Lochlan, you don't like this project?
I'm making
Oh, you're making a book. You went to get a marker. All right, so we're going to work on these books, and then later on we're going to post whatever we did. So I'm going to make a bunch of these things, and you should
but
make one too.
If you want to use a marker, take like a book and go like that so it doesn't go through the page. Or take another piece
Yeah,
of
but
like...
don't do it with that book, because that's a nice book.
Yeah.
Take another piece of paper or something. Like this or something, I don't know. And then make sure your bone folder gets out of the way when you start working with markers, because you can clean it, but bone folders are so nice and just nice. You don't want to ruin that. And get your scissors out of the way, because you don't want your scissors when you start creating, because just a bad idea. All right, so go and make a little book. It's kind of fun. I hope you like that. I hope you make one. And if you do make one, please send us a picture and share it so we can show other people your awesome books.
We'll see you next
All right,
time.
we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
We'll see you. Bye.